Made me reminded of you.
I know.
An artist named Alkaline.
I know. You said remind him of me, of course, obviously, it's him.
A few moments later.
But you embrace everybody. You embrace Poppy and everybody else.
Yeah.
Why does it seem like, obviously maybe don't come from the Gaza brunch, right?
To be honest, I've never given him a star. I mean, I'm not a fan. You know what I mean? I'm just not a fan. But he's cool. He's all right, I guess. But I'm not a fan of that.
So 1 eternity later.
With Alkaline, that he was just on.
We don't call that something where you pick your favorite footballer them in the game. Yeah, the mood I want to see him Masicka on him for them generation. And that should be a good war.
Yeah, it would. 2,000 years later.
Yo, him wanna clash Alkaline. Him say Alkaline and Masicka for clash. Is that
and he's lying.
Out of the generation?
No. He's lying. Cartel did a follow up Alkaline while him in a jail. No,
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
Don't know Media Fox, Yeah, man. So, I see some clippings and I say, yo, that clippings are interested what we have to talk about, Yeah, man. Not for see what I want, people, but listen what I want.
Enforce. Now, in terms of the big strength and something, Masicka, cut it out. And I must have cut it out. Whether I ever added link you for say you do a song, that's just respect. And you still did it? No, I don't know if you still did it or not. You don't get no cool points for say Cartel link you for song. This is Vibes Cartel we're talking about. Like, we understand, yeah, everybody know them element and whatever, but this is Vibes Cartel, and if we chat back to that time there, you weren't the man.
Yeah, that's true still, cause Masicka been using Cartel name, bro, even before him boss. You understand? The man when I think man say, yo, DeMarco, I live in a Cartel style, yo, Alkaline live in a Cartel style. The man call Cartel name the most, bro. The man go by interviews, everything. The man been using Cartel strength. You understand? Remember one time, people, the man go up on stage. Them time they have Jamil, Alkaline, and Movada, the MVP thing, right? But you see the Alkaline and Movada thing, them that name it as Gully Vendetta. So him go up on stage now. Cause after Alkaline sing, after all, damn knows a wait pan a call. 4 lives living up on a wall, you understand? And Mark Yar, Zine, pull up on foot. Then you see a song forward with Masicka and Cartel. My dad them have to live. My dad them have to live. So after all, have couple dog have to dead for me. Them go sing, my dog them have to live, right? So Masicka him forward on stage now. And say, me hear some pussy a talk about Gully Vendetta. Yo, a Gaza genocide. And then boom, way after that, you hear the man change his name, take off the Gaza name one side. So it usually be Gaza genocide. Now it name one side. Him kind of take him brand from, with the combination thing. See? So Masicka been a use, cause every time he go up and say, yo, big up Vice Cartel, him been a use it. The same song. Seeing the same song even give him a big forward in the game. Yeah. At this so people kinda him get the Gaza fan them and thing for real up for him and all them say, alright, man the boss link up collab, yeah. Masicka everybody did good in the dancehall space. Man, everybody good. He's a good youth, you understand? So it's like, yo, he might get strength from all around. You see me?
So it's not even Cartel they get a bag of strength them time. They might get TJ strength, they might get the 6 them strength. Like that was teacher Cartel I get.
But we did say that's a perspective thing though.
Wow.
That's a perspective thing. Like we can say there's a perspective of saying, yo, he's reaching out to the youth, and giving back. But the other perspective is he feels say he was losing relevance.
And that's just part of the game.
So I said the
Drake do it all the while.
Of course.
That's why Drake is still Drake.
Of course.
Yeah, so the thing go like, come on, like nobody couldn't survive Cartel from prison, so the man them with their road and where I get the song them and everything. Yeah, the man they have a edge over Cartel where them can go here some people and see them with them hit song and hot song or whatsoever. So but if a sudden Masicka say yo get Calaban thing, bro, Cartel I use Masicka and Masicka I use Cartel, nothing wrong with that. That's strength for strength, dog. You understand? It's like this. Me and you have a business, me support you, you support me. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, and I just one of them things there.
You see me, and regardless, Drake is still Drake helping somebody.
Yeah.
So if me see you, I'ma see your potential. I mean say yo, your body youth, fuck with us. That me never said that is still me I give you strength too.
Alright, but don't you think that's like him maybe just taking that out of teacher hand from no?
Not really. If a man help you in your career and put you up on a level, if you want to come tell the world that I don't give a fuck, a Bunty Bus cartel, I will see how that turn out. I don't care.
Masicka say it.
You see me? No, I say it doesn't matter when it comes to fashion. That's not a flex. You see me?
Yeah, that may I say still, because at the end of the day, the guards are kind of give Masicka strength, like, yeah, everybody see that and thing, so when him fouled with them information there. I say, bro, you been a use, all when the whole artist, them are this Alkaline, brother, from the guards and so. You was a part of it, bro, because you was say, yo, you hear some boy talk about Gully Vendetta and, you know, Gaza genocide and, yeah, bro, you been a forwarding out and, you know, try to throw shots off of Alkaline thing and just because of the Gaza thing, bro. You understand? Because you forward out, you say you don't rate Alkaline. What I know, bro, you don't know this youth, you never meet him yet. Seeing, and then after that, you say, yo, you might live in a vice cartel shadow, so I don't know why your problem. But when you check it, are you live in a cartel shadow? You understand? Because the amount of time you call cartel out of your name, brother. If you check most of your interview them, 90% of the interview of them are cartel, brother. I just that, bro. So when me see my father and I talk about this, brother, it don't make no sense to even bring up that, fam. No, that's all.
Yeah, the Karate Kid I go pass out Mr. Miyagi. You see me? This is what it is, bro.
Yeah.
So that, but otherwise, fuck them system song. And now me have to ask a question now. Probably the reason why Masicka don't this Alkaline is because him actually
He might not respect it. He might
actually relate.
Two of them say fuck the system.
Two of them say fuck them system.
Yeah.
Yes, because this are the thing now. Masicka want be like Alkaline, so that's why I say with the system, because remember, you know, Masicka been a get strength from the Gaza for years. But it's like him, I guess him the want be this goat and him the want be this king thing. So he must say, yo, every day him get up, him just hear about Alkaline the man, Alkaline bigger than Masicka, Alkaline this. So him want venture off himself from the situation. You see, he came forward in an interview and the man must say, yo, did I ask him pan to fix them, like he must say, yo, why you think say, yo, why you not choose the alliance or the Gaza thing? And him say, yo, you know, say, me no want to go in them thing there, because I be a beat artist, I get beaten and them little thing there, you know. You understand? So, remember when him said that, so I guess he want to venture off with him thing right now, but brother, your fan base is Gaza mostly, so I don't know how you gonna really do that. You see me? I don't know how you gonna really do that, bro. So I just one of them thing the way him just want to venture by himself, but him just want be on a level like Alkaline. They on a level like Alkaline have the Vendetta thing. You know, him I got there and people say, yo, the two biggest fan base in the dancehall are Vendetta and Gaza, you know. Him want the Crooks, them, him want, you say, the three biggest fans them in the dancehall, you know, are Crooks, Vendetta and Gaza. That him want now. Him no want, you say, yo, my fans them are Gaza fans and them like a thing there. You see it? So maybe him want go on a different level, but it's like, so him features some programming, but brother, Masicka get the biggest strength in the dancehall, bro. Biggest. I tell you, from young to old, I embrace Masicka. I tell you that.
Is it me?
Maybe it's a thing where I'm looking at it and say, oh, maybe that's what it is. Like, obviously, you know, the two of them have had some subliminals here and there, but overall, it's still a respecting from the side. You do your thing, me I do my thing. Outside of the Gaza sphere. Mm-hmm. You get me? So maybe, I don't know.
All right. So, look at the phone now. Mm-hmm. So, Masicka drop back to back, which we did hear to that song forward.
Yo, him wanna clash Alkaline. Him say Alkaline and Masicka for clash. Is that
he's lying.
Out of the generation thing?
No. He's lying. Cartel did follow up Alkaline while him in jail. No,
yeah, man, but you know, brother, when Cartel found out and say them thing there, it's like, Joe, man just found out him no want go back and pre no war and brother, remember, you know, Cartel in a prison, maybe I watch TV, maybe I dip on social media, and him see the artists them a do them thing, you understand? I do them shows and everything, him can't do no show. Him just man say, yo, me just a forward out, you know, yo, me nah give no man no strength, you know, me just a do my show and, you know, in a prison, different from when you're there. When you're there prison, bro, it's like, yo, you gotta do something for try to stay relevant, you know, bro. To worse with a man where did that run the place. So, man through him jams, him say, yo, one in the little eyeball, you see me and Alkaline sing, yo, Ricochet. Boy say put in the war and shot himself, so, yeah, Alkaline, Cartel did a Trojans of Alkaline. Everybody know that, but Cartel now go come out and really talk the truth. Like him just say yo kids and you know the ego thing. Every artist have ego. You understand? But you don't know it Cartel thing now. Him just come out and say yo, no, me never that pre because him no want Alkaline get to that, you know, get that type of level the way we say yo Alkaline and Cartel are war. But everybody see that, everybody know that. So I'm gonna say yo, a kids and you know, he might run a little thing levels card and he might go, you know, he might go try for go around it for say, yo, my name you there. Push war. You say a kids that, which Alkaline a big man. You see me? Yeah. So but you know him go run and pull out them style there just for make things look away like say, yo, my name is Alkaline. But when him in a prison, when him a war move over them say one in a little blind boy, cause him turn them over and Alkaline did a par, so you don't know what those ego talk. Yeah.
Granted, Vybz Kartel is still a human being, Adidja Palmer.
Okay.
Cool? So a man come out of prison and him have a new perspective of life. He has a second chance at life. Like he was facing 35. He would have come out when he was 70. Thereabout, right? I'm going at 35, thereabout.
Yeah, 35.
Yeah, whatever, but him not reach old. So him come out and he hasn't dropped a gun song since. So I believe him when him say him change, him not meds that. But at the same time, bro, you're the king. And Masicka say, I go for the throne. You have to defend it, bro. Levels can't play as a Masicka on the ground. For all of them, no, brother. Now from it on after, Masicka is the most consistent artist. And the only reason why Masicka don't really have that peak like that is because he's not social.
Yeah.
Jeffrey, you're wrong this. What you mean by Masicka not social? Bro. No, bro. You mean Alkaline is not social? Masicka, brother? Masicka, you gonna say not social, dog? How would you rotted this, brother? Masicka, where him and Bounty them and everybody link up and bro, this man even usually go up on live every morning, brother. This man love internet. We are talking about no social. Masicka no social, dog. You get it, brother. If you say Alkaline now, the Alkaline no social, none at all. You not even see him. You understand? Them man they not deal with people, bro. So when you say Masicka is not, why him not depend him peak? So wait, so Alkaline no social. How Alkaline depend on a peak there? If you say yo levels like a legend in the game. So Masicka, what you mean by Masicka now? No social, bro. Masicka everybody good. Masicka always a deal everybody, bro. Yeah, he maybe stick up in him studio now and everything, but bro, no, I believe that, brother. But Masicka no social. What this man? That's some joke thing.
No. Same thing him always say.
He's not social. We don't know Masicka. We never see Masicka even to laugh.
Tell me.
Yeah, man, him liar frog. Man say him never see Masicka laugh yet. Look how much music video Masicka laughing. Yo, the man are dangerous in the dog. The man, yo, dog, the man are chacha.
All the man do, I was sure say, the dog, remind us I'm rich.
Yeah, him have my house title, your house title, and your house title.
And him buy my mother house too. For this, pussy Jeffrey, buy your mother house. Suck your mother.
Yeah.
You see me? So the dog is fools. So, me hear uno, but if Cartel don't answer Masicka, I think this king of the answer thing, I feel put out.
Bro, I don't understand you know dog. Why you don't want Vybz Kartel for answer Masicka now? I don't understand, bro. Like that war thing is like, bro, I would the Masicka and Kartel apart, no, brother. What this a war thing? I don't understand, bro. Like Masicka, bro. First of all, Masicka don't have a fan base, brother. I feel like yo, for say yo really push stream thing right now, brother. Cause yo, you know why funny thing, people? Imagine a man who just found out, just get the king, the crown, and by in 1 year time, not even 1 year, by 6 month time, you have to take the crown off and give the next artist. Me have to say, yo, dog, John, dog, I don't know what I want Masicka for war. But this is the thing, you know, nothing wrong with it. But me I say, bro, you don't even make no sense, bro. Cartel done, bro. You have to understand the Cartel put in the button, brother. The man put in the button for war song, bro, and clashing on them thing there, brother. The man I get old, dog. Like, bro, in brain 10 years ago is not the same brain today, you know, bro. You have to understand that. When you see what I go on with them song them when you release, bro. Nothing really dead in my youth. You see me? Nothing dead for man. Cartel I go play a levels card, a ego card right now, because in 13 years when missing, him just try to preserve him attention. You see me? So him not go on meds that, bro. I tell you, brother, cause remember, you know, in a war, you know, any game can play. You see me? Not because the next man and that man they war. Because remember this. Remember say Cartel usually war bounty and war ninja man, them man they we all older than, you know, we older than him and him war them, so nothing wrong dog. But if you say you want Cartel, I guess Masicka really want the crown, you know, he want the king, so I guess him can, you know, go out fight with Cartel thing. But let's see the sense right now, bro. You see me?
That's my honest opinion. You might have to say something, bro.
Me and you might think so, you know, but public opinion.
I mean, not care what the public want to say. It's just common sense, bro. It's common sense. Big up Radio Road. But it's common sense, bro. You can't say you're the king. Remember when Cartel come out there, you know? And they might defend the king thing. And remember say Beanie want to clash him, you know?
Yeah.
But guess what? The people them say, Beanie, have a seat. We acknowledge you as the king, but he's a new king.
Yeah.
And now Masicka I say my new king. So it's either way, I'll make it better. Cartel is a king for that generation, and Masicka is a king for now. For this generation.
But we've.
Yo, Jeffrey, depend some crap, brother. Me I tell you that. The man say Masicka a king for that generation. Which generation that? Masicka get him his first break song like about 2013, so right? Me not understand, bro. Which generation? Cause bro, you have so many artists where, bro, I'd be bigger than Masicka, bro. You understand? You have a lot of artists, fam. You have Popcorn, the whole of them, you have Alkaline, but Alkaline don't want a king thing, brother. Alkaline just want to be great, brother. You understand? Man, have no king and no goat and them like a thing, there, bro. The man just put in him work. Yeah, whatever for get PR, fam. But Masicka for the king of that generation, dog. Bro, I tell you, fam, that would make the king thing look that's some joke. But I tell you, brother, the king thing kind of, I don't know. That's one of them things, dog. Is it? Cartel could have get it, cause you know why I say Cartel deserve the king thing? I gotta tell you why. Too much artists did about down to him, man, dog. A lot of artists look up to him, and you don't know king though. A lot of people bow to king, so yeah, him can't get it, cause amount of artists bow to him, and I know majority of them can't reach to get the throne to write it. Them career just tush. But Masicka for that new generation, fine. You see me? Can't give it. I wouldn't say so, but majority of the people them would have say, yo, Masicka not a king. I don't know that, but the king thing out of my way when it comes to Masicka, dog. You see it? I feel like say, yo, give Masicka the king thing. Dog, the king thing would have been something like, it's like, give anybody the king then. You see it?
Been saying that's what they should do.
But that's not what they did.
But that's not what they did. They went on some fest and crowned the man king of
Because you know
dancehall.
what, I'm not understand, you know. Look, you know, to the Gaza fans, I want to talk to directly.
Here we go.
Cartel is too old to clash, but he's not too old to run dancehall. I don't understand.
But, bro, we don't know that. Because, look at now. The situation is, Cartel, bro, when I understand, say, bro, Cartel is an ego man, brother. That's Cartel. I mean, say when I don't hear Russia Cartel, and him not answer, brother. The man only answer to Movada, dog. You see it, and maybe because him feels that Movada was that guy where, you know, can easily, you know, get rid of her, diss her, you know? Like that, bro. Like, we say, yo, Movada can't war me, him not lyrically, you know. Until when him Movada go at it, it was a different outcome. You understand? So, them a say him run dancehall and, yo, you know what the worst thing, bro, is like, I guess in a social media world, like dancehall was the thing where dancehall is about music, and yeah, Cartel around the social media, around the media, bro. But when you say run dancehall, to me running dancehall is music. Which song, which set a song, which set a album, or we know say, yo, this damage the music part of dancehall, bro. You understand? But like, yeah, Cartel do a couple shows and thing, yeah. Might do him shows them, it's a good highlight. But me, like, in my opinion, dancehall to me is like music. Like, which song around the place. You understand? And Cartel been released a lot of songs. Cartel full of hit song from back then, dog. Like, him can just use them there and do BA shows. You understand? A lot of hit songs. So, but now, Cartel, if him 4 months of prison, he don't really have the song them like him usually have back then. And that's fine. I just feel him time, you know, where, you know, him generation kind of shift, you know. So majority of the people, man, him not do no gun song, and majority of the people, him fans, them gravitate to the badness and the gun song, at that build him fan base. So when him say him done with that, you know, that kind of, the people them kind of, you know, that's why them even did that push Masicka, so yo, this Cartel, cause Cartel I do some girl song and them like a thing, you see me? Man I sing about Christmas song and then him a bring in the ball, say, in bars I swing like Christmas something or whatsoever, dog. So he might do him thing, yeah, man. You ever don't understand, brother? The one I get age right now, dog. Like, I don't know what I want about the brother. I want to see, say, man, cut it like a war, dog. We do what right now. If Masicka want the thing, man, let's take it off a Cartel, brother. You understand? Let's take it king off a Cartel. If him really that want it, bro. But I feel like Masicka for just focus on him career, dog. Bro, stop pre Cartel, do, brother. That's why me have to tell you, you see you turning Alkaline. Yeah, man. Alkaline do him thing, him throw him shots of a Cartel, bro. But the youth now focus on Cartel, dog. The man just do him own thing, bro. Build him brand, do him shows them and everything, and not care when nobody wants it, brother. You know, see Alkaline and run down this gold, this king, this crown, this rare thing, brother. Masicka for just focus on him career, dog, for put it on a different level, build some fan base, brother. You don't need Cartel, bro, or need no king thing for build nothing, bro. You understand? You don't need that, fam. Remember, so one night time, you know, Beanie was the king, you know, and then him did try to push the Gaza, say him at the Empire of Gaza. And look what happened. Gaza man him say, yo, go sit down one side and man him get the crown. So Masicka for just stop pre-Cartel, bro, and just focus on your career, dog. You understand, bro? Remember, say, soon after this, you know, dog, Cartel have to just go and sit down and just watch you them do the thing, you know, dog. So you there really a meds Cartel, bro. You understand? Just do your thing, brother. Focus on your career, dog, and build your thing. And stop meds, Cartel, crown, and all of them like a thing there, bro. Cause, bro, and everything last survive, brother. You see me? Yeah, bro. So just do your thing. You have a couple more years left in a game, dog. Yeah. Next 10 years, bro, Cartel are just there and just a watch, brother. Like, a next generation now, like, them are. Cause next 10 years, bro, Cartel are come like how them would have a pre-Bounty and some artists and Beanie, man. But young generation, them not really listen to Beanie, them like, the man listen to some young artists. And I just say, thing go, bro, I just norm that. So Masicka for just focus on him career, dog.
I don't understand. Oh, you're too old for Clash, but you're not too old for run dancehall. Make it make sense, bro.
But, bro, running dancehall and Clash are two different things, brother. Like, come on, bro. You see me? Because you, I gotta say, yo, running dancehall and Clash, brother. Remember saying, bro, I don't know. That's how I say dancehall thing to me. Running it is music. But knowing Cartel, bro, Cartel depend on the social media, dog. Majority things, bike, car, house, all of them look a thing there, bro. You see me? Remember, you know, people say, yo, Cartel I run dancehall and thing, but Cartel really I get the music them where people really are talk about. I just that, bro. So, you can't really use, me I gotta say, you can't really use that for say, yo, a man, Chima run dancehall means same for Clash. You understand, man? That's why I say music thing, but on the music thing, so-called what them say Cartel run. Maybe them say you might get the big shows them and everything, you might run dancehall and which to me that is just yo, I contribute to dancehall on a huge scale. You see me? Dancehall is all about what I call it? Music and music. Yo, that create the genre like if dancehall for go there so a music we talk about dancehall music. You see me? I guess if you want to add a little fashion to it. Yeah, but what we know about dancehall back then, bro, it was like music. A music the artists them put out and then them start get the highlight. So who have the hottest music? Cartel really have the hottest music them right now. So I guess, but I don't know what Masicka and Cartel for do a thing. Well, let's see.
You're young enough for still control everything, but you're not young enough for clash, for fight. I understand that either.
I understand, but bro, no, friend killer, traitor, fucking. Ray. Enough more time, so we can't remember everything. Because even in the last review.
No, not only that, but I mean, more for breakdown on the song. Carl Shaggy and Sean Paul.
Ah, we could DJ that. Come find some stuff to show you know already. I tell you.
Yeah, man, people, so. I saw the thing set here, dog. Yo, to me, people, the artists for them, yo, bro, Cartel alone can't move the genre, bro. You understand it? Right now, we see it. Him alone can't do it, bro. You need music, you need a group of artists. Same like we have the government body of a country, we have the president of a country where it's a group of people. Cartel alone can't do it, bro. You understand? So right now the artists them for just focus on them career, bro. Build them thing, build them career, get them fan base, build them brand, bro. You understand? This cartel mentality and king thing and all, bro. Bro, make the work where you put in. You understand? Show the success and the award, bro. Run down crown thing and king thing from a next man, brother. You're not gonna reach now with that, fam. Rather than you focus on a next man crown and your career just stay right there, so then you just focus on your career till you reach to that level there. Till people can say, yo, him deserve it without you even a try to go for it and them say you don't deserve it. You understand? That's all I have to say, people. Just artists them just doing the thing, bro. Focus on a career, brother. You understand? Just focus on a career, dog, and trust me. Yo, that's how you're gonna get a better result. That's all I have to say. But people don't know in a media facts, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.